We now look at a Hilbert style proof system. For propositional logic. Okay, so this will be so we will look at formula that consists of the implies and the negation. Okay, so only these operators we will consider. Other operators and or and all can be expressed in terms of implies and all. So other operators can be expressed in terms of this. And so it consists of three axioms. The first axiom is alpha implies beta implies alpha. Okay, so when I don't write any bracket, it is right associative. So is right associative. Okay, so that's the first axiom. The second axiom is alpha implies beta implies gamma implies alpha implies beta implies alpha implies gamma. The second axiom. Okay, the third axiom, so this is the axioms, is not beta implies not alpha implies not beta implies alpha implies beta. So you can see that from not beta, if you can prove both not alpha and not, you can read this as follows. Okay, so you can read this as if you can prove not alpha and alpha starting from not beta, then beta is proved. This is like the proof by contradiction. Okay, so these are the axioms. Okay, and there is only one inference rule that is as follows. The inference rule is, so the inference rule is alpha implies beta alpha. From this you can conclude beta. It's called the modus ponens. This is also a lemma. I mean, this you might have seen this. To prove beta, you need to you just need to prove alpha implies beta and alpha. Okay, that's something that you have seen in your I mean when you do mathematics. Okay, so this is the proof system that we will look at, and our goal is to prove that the above proof system is sound and complete. Okay, unlike the proof system which consists of all valid statements, this is saying something more, right? Because we now see that proofs here are not just axioms. Okay, you have to start from this axiom and you have to use this inference rule to build up new proofs. Okay, so this is the system that we are interested in. Okay, there are other proof systems, but this would be the one which we are fixing for time being.